That's just part
So
of it.
how
one thing at
are
a time.
for these calls here, what is there a structure to the way that you do your calls or like how
You
to
got it.
You got it. You're
yeah.
hanging out. You have questions, hit me up. If you have anything you're working on, we do it live. I know you were took it back there for a second, and I said just show your screen, but that's it. If you have issues, we'll walk through it right then and there. I'll show you how to do it. We'll go and fix it.
And you do
Um,
that on all the three calls that happen during the week?
yeah, every call. This one on Wednesday, I'm gonna do like a walkthrough of Affiliate Center for the first portion, but afterwards, it's same
Cool.
structure, ask questions,
So
whatever.
an affiliate, like in order for us to be able to have affiliates
Yeah,
give
your
an
own affiliate.
affiliate link to our specific funnels, yeah, that would be really interesting actually.
Yeah, yeah, that's I'm looking to expand the training a little bit. So, affiliate center just rolled out. Figured everyone wants to know a little bit about it.
Yeah,
I've already
please.
gotten a couple tasks sent to me on ClickUp from people. So I figured why not? I might as well just make a whole thing out of it.
Mm.
But yeah, this is it. We hang out. If you have any questions, we have a community you can reach out to me or to any of us. Anybody can answer, but I'm pretty active.
And
Um,
in the community, do you post like the recorded calls or do you record these calls actually?
yeah, these are all recorded, but we host everything in ClickUp. It's like a platform where I have all like the docs laid out, the recording links. The
Okay.
We create like once a month I'll release some templates and stuff around like funnels or whatever. I think this month I might do. We worked out abandoned cart already. I was gonna do the abandoned cart email sequence,
Do it again, do it again.
share funnel for somebody, whoever needs it. I figured I'd do
Don't
that,
forget your
and
newsletter too, Tyson.
man,
Your
I
newsletter is
know
really
there was
good.
no service at my dad's house. I was trying to upload all these videos. They wouldn't upload. So now it's gonna be like a day late. I'm heartbroken.
And a
First time I've
dollar
ever been
short.
late. Huh?
Day late and a dollar short.
Ah, I know. It breaks my heart. All day I've been like, I don't know, harping on myself about it. It's okay. It's all right. But that's not really
All
included in the
right.
program. I have a newsletter about all the tech releases and whatnot every Monday, except for today. It's going to be probably Monday, Tuesday. That's by the sounds of it. So,
Pretty good
um,
service.
you
Awesome
want to check it
Yeah,
service.
out?
I'm new to it and he has saved me so much time.
Well, that's kind of what I'm looking for because I feel like, I make progress, right? And then it's like, okay, now I'm really happy and I have momentum and I'm doing this and I'm doing that. And then it's like, and then I
Again, I know it's the tech
and then
stuff that
I'm
usually
like,
gets people.
oh
So,
fuck. And I'm like down for the count for like 2, 3 days and I feel bummed out. And then I'm like, okay, just go back to it, right? Like,
Yeah.
and I mean, I give myself some grace because I know I'm learning something that I have no, just no concept about, like,
That's why
right?
I'm like,
Like,
no, I'm not going to ClickFunnels live. I can barely like figure out this.
see, the thing is, they say the platform's for everyone, like the software is for everyone, right? Everybody can use it, sure, but like they sell it like it's not some big learning curve for
Oh,
a lot of people. And
yeah, for
I
sure.
know
Well,
that's
that's
not the
how,
case.
yeah.
So it's
Well, I
oh,
mean, it's easy if you know what you're doing.
sure, but I found out what to do over years and years of
I
doing it,
yeah,
Yeah.
I
and
exactly.
know. That's why I'm
that's
like,
that's it.
I've I've
Well,
been
that's
doing the
how I felt
certification
too,
thing for
like
two
going
years, and
through
I
the,
still
yeah, I get
Well,
it. It's through the e-com and I watch all of my other people in there, right? It's like, because it's like, oh, 3 months it'll be up and like that's it. Like it's everything is happy, happy and go, go, go. And it's like there's so many of us that have been there from there's some of us that have been there from before the beginning, right? And it's like most of us that have been there from the beginning don't really have like an up and running funnel because the logistics of it when you start looking at all of the intricate pieces of it, the complex parts of it, it's
sure.
like
Yeah,
uh,
what?
$100%.
amen.
And support's great. Don't get me wrong. Like I love support. However, it's like you send a ticket in and then you try to implement and then okay, well then something's not working. And then it's like, it's like a week out before you've got your actual. So
I get it.